Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. And in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to set take profit and stop loss for futures trade on Bybit. So if you want to learn how to set futures stop loss and take profit on Bybit, this video is for you. All you need to do, go to open your Bybit account and go to spot. So and go to trade. Sorry, I've already transferred some money from my funding. So let's just click on futures, confirm. I know. So you can see this is the features interface. So, but for you to set the take profit, there are two ways to do it. You can set it at the time you are trying to place the trade, or you can set it once you are running the trade. So I would try both options for you guys. So let's assume I want to enter Bitcoin currently, and the price of Bitcoin, I want to use market price execution. I want to use isolated. And my leverage is this. I've already input it. And I don't want to change it. Just leave it. So then I will drag how much I don't want to use. Let me just use this 20 something dollar. And then you can see at the lower part TP/SL. That will take profit or stop loss. So you can now put it. I'm entering at the market price. I can put my take profit maybe at 120,000 of Bitcoin, price of Bitcoin, and also my stop loss maybe like a 115 of Bitcoin. So like the price. So then I can choose if I'm longing it, I will choose a long, and then the price should be lower than stop loss price should be lower than what do I put? Should be lower than, let's see. Oh, sorry, mistake. The current price is 110, so it should be 105. Let me use 105. So then I can now go ahead and place. So once I place, we can see my trade running, and you can see TP/SL in the trade. In entire position, the stop loss, the take profit is 120,000. Entire position, the stop loss is 105. So that's how to set it in one way. Another option is, let me just cancel this. Let's assume you already have it running already. So let me remove these ones. I'm sorry. So that I want to change it. Okay, don't worry. So if you already have the position running, uh, you will see, you can see on the lower part, you will see set take profit, that's TP or SL, trailing stop and close. So if you are clicking on set take profit, you will see this pop-up interface, entire position and partial position. So if you want to like close a partial part of your profit, you put it here. If you want to close the entire position, you be here, and then you can put the price. So you can see my price 120,000. So if you didn't set the take profit or stop loss before, you won't see any price there. So you have to like put the price yourself. Why for this one you put the price also for the stop loss, and then that's all, straightforward. Same applies to the partial. But the trailing stop, if you click on trailing stop, the trailing stop we have asked for the retracement percentage. You can see by distance. If you click this drop down, you can see by rate. If you want to use by rate, so but most time I prefer rate like percentage, but you can use distance if you want, if you like distance. So and then maybe like I want to put, if it does like maybe like 10% retracement, then stop me out. But as price keep moving profit, your retracement, your stop loss keeps shifting upward by 10%, by 10% gap from the initial price. So if price now drops more than 10%, then it stops you out. So but the gap between your current price and your stop loss will always be 10%. If I put 10%, so the if price keep running in profit, the position, the 10% keep moving up, keep moving up, keep moving up. It's just a strategy to lock your profits though. So but you may not use it if you don't want to. It's not important for you if you don't want it. So then if you want to close the position instantly, just use close by 100%. You can see. And then if you want to close partial, you click on maybe 50% or 25%. But I'm closing all that with 100%. And then if you want to set the price for closing, you can put the price there. But if you want to close at market price, just click market 100% and close. Well, you can see everything disappeared and everything is sold back. So that's just basically how to set the profit and stop loss for Bybit on a futures trade. Very, very straightforward. So in our next video, I'm going to be talking about TradeFi, another way to make money on Bybit. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe now and have a wonderful day. God bless you all.